What's that thing called when you meet somebody and